Hi, let's see how we can send automated emails from Google Sheets and we can send customized messages. For example, hi Rishi, the name of this person is Rishi. I'm happy to share that we have a great offer for you with our upcoming garage sale. Hope you like it. We will send our updates at variset2@gmail.com, which is this email ID. And in case you want it changed, please reply back. Take care. Similarly, we'll have it for all. Let me show you. Okay, and in case you are wondering how I have gotten these to the next line, the hotkey is Alt Enter. So suppose you are here, just press Alt Enter and it will move to the next line. Okay, so now let's begin how we can do the coding and let's get started. Okay, so now that we are here, let's begin. So here first we will need to identify some of the variables. Okay, and let's name this sheet as SS, var SS spreadsheet.app. Okay, so this would ensure that this spreadsheet is being opened. To get the active spreadsheet, so I will select this, then I will select brackets and get active sheet. There you go, you select that. Okay, and I think that's it. So let's close it. So we have defined what SS stands for. Okay, and I've just typed in the three variables: message, email and subject. Let's also add another variable I, which we could have done later also, but no issues. We'll also need the last row of the entire data set. So if this is the entire data set, we'll also need this value, okay, to be able to send emails to all. So let me select a variable LR that will be the last row. So let me give ss dot get last row. Yeah, there you go. Okay, that's it. So now if you want, we can just check this and it will ask for a few permissions before we run it. Now let's run this to see and we'll get 5. There you go, which is the last row and it's showing correctly. Okay, so let's proceed now. So now just let us test the loop I equals 1, which will start from the first row. Okay, I is less than LR, okay, and I plus plus. So this is our for loop which is complete. We give a brackets open, and in case you want to test, you can test it like this: I and run and save and run. Okay, you should be able to get 5. That means it's working. 1 2 3 4. Okay, because it's less than. If you want equal to, just give a this and it's done. Okay, so this is done. This is working. Now what I want to do, when it is looping through, I want it to send the mails. Okay, for that what we need to do, we need to assign the subject, the message and the email. Okay, so let's do that. Now here email equals ss dot get range. Okay, it would be I comma, okay, for email it is column 2. So we'll come here and we'll write 2, and here I don't want the first row because that's my header, so I'll start from 2 and this I've made as less than equal to get range I comma 2, which means row number 2 and column number 2, which means this value, correct, and then it will keep going down. Okay, so get range, get value. Okay, that's my email. Similarly we will put subject. Okay, ss dot get range, this will be I comma 3 subject. No, subject is 4. 1 2 3 4, so we'll put it as 4 here. Dot get value. Okay, and some message would be ss dot get range I comma 3 get value. There you go. If case you want to organize it like this, then simply do it like that. Okay, so now we have the email, the message and the subject in our loop. So here what we will do is we will simply write the email. Okay, then we will write the subject. and we will write email. Sorry, we will write message. There you go. So this will take care of sending the email automatically, and this will pick the variables from here. Okay, so I think it is good to go, but I think I have missed out this application. It should be like this. So let me show you. So yeah, so it should be this. Okay, so just ensure that you don't forget this like I just did, and let's save it and test it out. Okay, I do a test. So now that our code has run, let me show you the results. Okay, so there you go. So all the mails have been sent, and I didn't want to show it on my mail because I have some personal mails also. Yeah, just to show you, the mails have been sent to the right email IDs with the message that we had, and just see how beautifully they have been structured also. Okay, this is one of the mails that was sent, and it beautifully solves the purpose. Thank you. Please feel free to use this code and let me know. Thanks. Bye.